Do you want to learn the secrets of watercolor that no one else knows? Then you need to watch this video. Links to all the items used in this tutorial are available below in the YouTube description box. Check it out. Welcome, watercolor artists. Today I want to talk to you about Tundra Orange, which is a really fun color. It's actually comprised of 3 colors. It's PBR7, which is typically raw umbers or burnt siennas. In this tube are PR233, which is commonly called Potter's Pink. And in addition, there's a third color with this color, and it's PY43, which is yellow ochre. And I'm not sure if that's a natural yellow iron oxide, if that's a man-made one, but this color is really fun. So what you do is you put it down on a piece of paper. And right now I'm going from dark to light. And I just want to see what happens when I go from dark to light. What happens is, because this is made of 3 colors, the colors separate. And the raw umber and the potter's pink soaks into the paper first, and yellow ochre soaks in last. You can literally see that yellow ochre sitting on top of it when it's wet. It kind of floats on top of it. It does some beautiful, amazing granulating effects. And the next thing I want to test with this color is I'm going to take a blank piece of paper and I'm going to put down a medium value wash. What I'm trying to do with this wash is I'm just trying to get it smooth and even across the whole wash. Now, because this color is made of 3 colors, when you put it down on a piece of paper, initially it actually does kind of look pretty ugly. But you got to give it a couple minutes, because when you give it a few minutes, what's going to happen is the colors do start to separate. The raw umber and potter's pink soaks in first with yellow ochre sitting on top. You'll really start to see this granulation appear after a couple minutes. And if you use rough paper, you definitely see it a little bit more. And what I'm trying right now is I'm just trying to see if I can get some water blossom effects with this color. Water blossoms are what happens is when you drop more water into wet paint, what happens sometimes is that the colors do separate in the paper. The water pushes the pigment aside. Now, interestingly enough, this color is really hard to get water blossoms from. I put the water on top of wet paint, and it really just doesn't move very much. If you're looking for a beautiful grayed down orange color that gives you amazing granulation, then I highly recommend checking out Schmincke's Tundra Orange. If you like this content, hit subscribe. I'll have more watercolor tutorials in the future. Thanks a lot and happy painting.